Welcome my lovely people. In this video we are going to focus on question 6 extracted from Mathematics paper 2 for the 2024 for GCE. So we have done question 1 up to question 5. Please find time to check them out. So this is just a continuation. So this question is coming from the topic of series and sequences. Now let us read through the question. The first three terms of arithmetic progression are 3w minus 2, 3w plus 6, and 3w plus 30. Find the value of w. So first I'm going to start by writing these terms. So our first term is 3w minus 2. So first term, 3w plus 6. Second term, 3w plus 30, third term. So now how do you solve questions like this one where you are given 3 terms and told to find the value of a given letter? You need to use the concept when finding the common ratio. So common ratio can be found by second term divided by first term is same as third term divided by second term. So this is where the concept is coming from. So I'm just going to do the substitution. So the substitution will be, so second term is 3w plus 6 over the first term is 3w minus 2 is equal to third term is 3w plus 30 divided by second term is 3w plus 6. Then we need to cross multiply. (3w plus 6) will multiply 3w plus 6. 3w minus 2 will multiply 3w plus 30. Now we need to expand, so we are going to use the expansion from algebra. 3w will multiply with 3w, so 3 times 3 is 9, w times w, we have w squared. 3w multiplied by 6 will give us 18w. So we are done with the first part. So the second part will be 6 times 3w, then 6 times 6. So let's do that. 6 times 3w will give us 18w. 6 times 6 will give us 36. So we are done with the left side. We'll move on to the right side. 3w times 3w, 9w squared. 3w times 30 will give us 90w. Then we'll move on to negative 2 times 3w will give us negative 6w. Then negative 2 times positive 30 will give us negative 60. Then here we can now cancel. So we are going to cancel 9w squared with this 9w squared here. Then these two are the like terms, so we can add them. So 18 plus 18 is 36w plus 36 is equal to, here we have 90w minus 6w, so this will give us 84w minus 60. We can still collect the like terms, so we're going to have 36w minus 84. So if this shift to this side, the sign will change. So minus 84w is equal to negative 60. Then this will shift to this side. giving us negative 36. So 36, positive 36 minus 84, we are going to subtract. So 84 minus 36 will give us 48 W. Then here we have negative, negative, so we are supposed to add. So this will give us 96. We can divide by 48, here by 48. So let me not forget the sign. So this is negative, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. W is equal to 2. So this is our final answer. Okay, so we can now proceed to Roman number 2 and Roman number 3. So Roman number 2, we just want the nth term. So to find the nth term, first let's find the actual number of terms. So we have 3w minus 2, then 3w plus 6, 3w plus 30. So I'm going to substitute w with 2 because we found w to be 2. So we're going to say 3. Here we have 2 minus 2. 3 times 2 plus 6. 3 times 2 plus 30. So 3 times 2 will give us 6 minus 2. 6 plus 6, then 6 plus 30. So 6 minus 2 is 4, comma, here we are going to have 12, then here we are going to have 36. So term number 1 is 4, term number 2 is 12, term number 3 is 36. So to find the common ratio, we have second term over term number 1. Second term is 12 over 4. So our common ratio is 3. So for you to find the nth term, first you need to have the common ratio. Or if you want, we can find the common ratio by third term over second term. So third term is 36 over 12 is equal to, here it's still 3. Then when you are done, you need to write the formula for the nth term for a GP. So the formula is Tn is equal to a r n minus 1. So to find the nth term, where there is n, you don't have to substitute with anything. A is the first number. So the first number sequence is 4. R is 3, n minus 1. So that's our final answer. Then for sum of the first 4 terms will be sum of n is equal to a, open brackets, r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. So sum of 4 is equal to, so 4 is 4 terms. Then a is the first number, is still 4. R, what's our R, is 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. 4, so 3 raised to the power 4, 81 minus 1 over 2. So 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. So this is same as 2 times 81 minus 1 is 80, which is giving us 160. Right, so we can now move on to question B. We are told to simplify. So step number 1, we need to change the operator. this division changes to multiplication, then we flip the fraction, so the denominator becomes the numerator. Then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to expand. 10 is same as 5 times 2. Then times a over m times m, since we have squared, times n times n. Times, here we have 2 times m times m times n times n over 5 times a multiplied by a. So I advise you expand like this. It is going to make your work easy. So we cancel the 5, we cancel the a, we cancel this a. So let's cancel the m here, m, this goes, n. So as we can see, we have nothing to cancel. So on top of the first fraction, we only have a 2. Over here, since we've cancelled everything, so there is just a 1 times 2 over a times a. So 2 times 2 is 4 over a squared. So as we can see, it's simple. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.